When you're broke, overwhelmed, and stressed, you get into this cycle of making promises to yourself you can't keep. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't care, but because your nervous system is tired. Today, I want to talk about the habit that silently destroys your progress and how to break out of it without pressure, guilt, or perfection. People think inconsistency is a discipline problem, but when you're broke, it's a survival problem. Your brain is literally in fire alarm mode. You're not breaking promises because you're weak. You're breaking them because survival mode doesn't allow long-term thinking. If nobody ever explained that to you, let me be the first. You set a goal, you hype yourself up, you have a good day or two, then something hits. A bill, a bad day at work, a setback, and all your energy collapses. You're not inconsistent, you're overwhelmed. And overwhelmed people don't keep promises, they keep surviving. The secret is not discipline, it's scaling down your promises to match your capacity. Not read 20 pages a day, read 2. Not work out every day, walk for 3 minutes. Not build a 6-figure business, complete the next 10-minute task. Small promises build trust. Trust builds momentum, builds stability. When people start the blueprint, the first thing they say to me is, I'm scared I won't stay consistent. And that's fair based on life experience. And every time I tell them the same thing, consistency comes from clarity, not motivation. Small steps, small wins, one simple system. And that's why the blueprint works. Because you're not doing everything. You're doing the right next thing. So if you've been beating yourself up for breaking promises, stop. You're not the problem. The size of the promise is. If you want a path that feels realistic, calm, and doable, the blueprint is your next best step. GetDailyPayments.com. And in the comments, tell me this. What's one small promise you can actually keep today? I'll link the site in the description, and I hope to see you on the inside.